This is mean sea level pressure for the 20th. And that does not look good. That does not look good at all. Notice we have 3 red spots. And this thing has a binary companion. Possibly a trinary companion. Let's go back in time. Yeah, so I think the East Coast is going to get walloped 3 times in the next 2 weeks. That's my guess. If the whole map ever goes blue, we're dead. Here's a cheery thought. So enjoy your Thanksgiving.
That's unrelated.
Here we go. We're wet.
Green lights for pretty much everybody.
And then for the big parade.
Pretty stormy weather pattern with rounds of rain. So this very moisture-laden air is going to slam into the northwestern U.S. as the jet stream dips to the south.
Here comes that band of rain. That's the front. And you can see there'll be snow back in the mountains here.
We're concerned about flooding, especially into Tuesday in the northwestern corner of the nation.
Rain sweeping into the area. Winds could become damaging in the Appalachians today as a strong cold front approaches. So hopefully that won't affect the big balloons out there.
Hundreds of counties from the south central into the northeastern U.S. are under wind advisories this weekend, dealing with the potential for gusts over 40 miles per hour in many areas, even separate from those gusty thunderstorms in the Ohio Valley.
Thor News
is the record holder for Stellar Cool.
Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Hit the button, baby.
Party dance time.
Thor News presents.
So you're the one. 'Cause you're cool, yeah.
I am Thor of Thor News, your magic cat dragon, Action Jackson. For a couple of years now, I've been telling y'all that when the sun acts weird, the weather acts weird, and then people act weird. And the sun's been getting weirder, and everything's been getting weirder. I've been like, hey y'all, we got floods coming. Hey y'all, we got floods coming. Hey y'all, we got major storms coming. In the last 2 weeks, we've had major floods in Vietnam, India, Germany, Brazil, Australia, and Greece. But for some reason, the overall media is not doing a very good job of keeping tabs on this crazy situation. I mean, Greece is in bad shape, getting worse, as they're about to get hit by the Medicane. It's like a hurricane, but it's in the Mediterranean. And so I'm just using this video to tell y'all that as this wave after wave after wave pattern continues, the weather's about to get pretty severe again. The West Coast has been getting slammed by storm after storm after storm, and they're going to continue to be getting slammed by storm after storm after storm. We're going to continue to see major massive storms form around the four corners and then move east out to sea and then to Europe. Ladies and gentlemen, what we are looking at now is the GFS model for December 3rd, 2017. And the green is rain. And so that is more rain than I've ever seen on this map. Now, yes, these models are not perfectly accurate, but they've done a pretty good job all year, just like I have. But watch, the green is rain. It's a lot of rain, people. In my 5 years at Thor News, documented how the rain bands keep getting longer and larger. And that trend don't look to be going away. Okay, that's going to happen Sunday. We got a rain band stretching from Mexico into Florida, up the East Coast, into Canada, up into Greenland, up into places they haven't even found or named yet, I would guess. But the thing I'm going to be watching is watch this area here. Notice we're getting some development around Florida and South Carolina. And red means serious rain, anywhere from 12 to 20 inches. We see a pretty big storm with the potential to drop a lot of rain, drag up the East Coast. If the main storm continues to trend west, this is going to bring a whole lot of rain up the East Coast around Thanksgiving. See that thing? But look how, I mean, that's insane. Look at that. That is rain. The green is rain, people. That is wet. It's like we got an ocean in the sky dumping on us. And notice how Europe is now getting the brunt of what brought us 4 landfalling hurricanes. So look at that. Like, feast your eyes upon that. Wait, let's go back. Now we're going to look at wind speeds. What the hell? And what is going on in the Alaska, Canada, Washington, Oregon, Pacific area? I don't know. I would guess volcanoes. Under ocean volcanoes. What's love got to do with it? What's love but a first-hand emotion? So you can see some pretty wild shit happening. And I got to say, I was pretty honored when some Navy pilots sprayed some actual weather dicks in the sky. That's right. I guess as a tribute to Thor News, they drew an actual weather dick in the sky. I thought it was pretty funny. So I salute you. Hopefully you didn't get in too much trouble. is the European model. There's like a bridge of fierce wind from Greenland to Europe. You see that right there? Look at that thing. That is not normal and that is not good. And then boom, big trouble for Europe. Look at that there on the 25th. It's going to be windy. Man, Europe, you should be ready. Be prepared. Look at that thing right there. Oh, it's all crazy. For sure. Islands in the stream. Get ready for a lot of crazy talk from Crazy Town, because the sun has just gone nuts. That's right. There is so much bizarre activity going on right now that I can't even wrap my mind around it, man. So get ready. Because when the sun goes crazy, Earth weather goes crazy, and people go crazy. So I may be acting a little nutty in this episode. The sun's freaking out. So I'm freaking out, man. Okay. Yeah. And I know some new people are like, who is this fool? What is he doing talking about science and solar physics?
You should take it as a consequence of your magnetic field getting way too strong. It's not cool, yeah.
Stay cool. Are you cool? Because I'm going to be dropping some hard Thor news science upon you. That thing is scary looking. How's the atmosphere doing? Oh, it's unsettled.
I'm gonna have to run for cover here.
Are you ready for it?
Oh my God!
So here we go again.
If it's happening in a galaxy, then Thor is all over it. Hurricane, solar flares, planet X. How humanity's gonna destroy itself at each other's necks. Yeah, I don't know if you know this. No, I don't know if you know this. Thor knows it's a win, baby. Thor knows it's a one, baby. Thor knows it's a win, baby. Thor knows it's a one, baby.
Hey, Sugar Britches! How would you like your warning? Hey, Sugar Britches! How would you like your warning? With a little sugar, with a little cream, with some knock-knock jokes. You know what I mean?